During the time of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, there was a solar eclipse on the day that his son Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, peace be upon him, died. Some superstitious people said that the sun eclipsed because of the young child death and the Prophet's sadness on that day. The Prophet corrected that understanding. On the day of Ibrahim alayhi salam, the sun eclipsed, and the people said the eclipse was due to the death of Ibrahim, the Prophet's son. The sun and the moon are the two signs among the signs of Allah. They do not eclipse because of someone dead or alive. So when you see them, you wake up and pray to Allah till the eclipse is clear. As the eclipse can occur, people become frightened. When frightened, Muslims turn to Allah for patience and preservation. An eclipse is the remember of the day of the judgment. The sun and the when the sun eclipsed and the moon became red, Prophet got up, and it will remind you at the day of the judgment, because at the day of the judgment everything will be dark and the sun and moon is going to be break down. So actually when the moon come on the sun, everything became dark. So the best thing is, when you see this sign, you pray to Allah, at least you and ask for his forgiveness. And because this everything, without Allah you cannot, nothing is going to be happen. So the best thing is, absolutely is an announcement is made to pray, and you offer your prayer, and is a two rakat, and you have to pray to Allah to forgive to you forgiveness, and you have to be nice to the people. You try to help each other, and you try to pay, you try to do peace everywhere. So that's the all I want to say to you. And you have to do the charity, because this eclipse is because people misunderstood when I said this is the 4th of April is a red moon is going to happen. Yes, the war is already break down in the Middle East, and right now million innocent people kill every day, and especially all these are the Muslims. So just you have to pray now. This is not, it's not the time of joke, go and watching the drama or doing the dance and everything. It's the time to pray to Allah. It's the time to be nice. Is the last, because it's every day is the last day. We don't know, I don't know that right now I go downstairs, have my car and got accident and I die. So you know every day is the last day. But the thing is, in the Islamic calendar, 2015 4th April, which is 1436 Islamic month, the best thing is, when you see, please pray to Allah to forgiveness and everything, and nothing else I have to tell to you. So if the people misunderstood that what is this, yeah, that is the thing. We are on in the war. The whole Muslim world right now is on the war, and we don't know what is the end of the war. But just pray to Allah, just pray to Allah. And the second is, I think, on 28th of September, the eclipse. So I'm here, and I will pray to Allah to forgive me what the bad I doing it, and what if I harm the people and anything. So I will pray to Allah to forgive me, and what else. Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Have a blessed day, and God help all the Muslim country, and please do pray to Allah. Thank you.